select Ghana, that'll then populate the country code, and then you can put the phone number in. That's super important. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect with people on WhatsApp. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Hatagwa, and today I have a clip for you from 10 things to know before visiting Ghana. This video is number 2, and this is WhatsApp tips. If you've never added a phone number for someone internationally, we detail exactly how to add someone's phone number on WhatsApp so you can make sure you can communicate with people while you're here. Check it out. I recorded this with my good friend Kels. We wanted to make sure we share with you what we wish we knew before we came.
Exactly. So at number 2, we have using WhatsApp. It's so important to use WhatsApp.
Yeah, absolutely.
A lot of people use it internationally. I've been using it for a long time to stay in contact with my friends that are outside of the country. If you are not in America, you most likely will not be able to use any messaging service.
Right, exactly. And it's also important to know country codes when you're adding a number on WhatsApp. In general, on most devices, when you just start typing in the phone number, what it'll do is it'll do it based on your country that you've entered your phone number in for WhatsApp. So if you're here in Ghana, the country code is +233. If you're on an Android device, you just need to put the country code in. If you're on iOS or an Apple phone, you need to change the country code. So you'll see a flag, there's a drop down, and you go down to Ghana, select Ghana, that'll then populate the country code, and then you can put the phone number in. That's super important. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect with people on WhatsApp.
And that is our number 2 thing you need to know before coming to Ghana. Me and Joe will always be around. Make sure you go ahead and follow us on our pages. He's at Authentic African,
Yeah, Authentic African on YouTube, and at Authentic_African on Instagram.
For sure. And mine is Kels Acosta on every platform.
All right, guys, so this was just a short clip. It's not a comprehensive list. We definitely will have a part 2 where we go much more in detail in the coming weeks. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure to keep up to date on the videos that are coming. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.